Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO T1 Pro 5. First of all, just go into Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Following that, in order to continue, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top and tap on those type of dots to pick multiple files right away. You can also just click on the chosen ones instead, like this one photo. Wherever you decide, when you finish choosing, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom of an Android. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section below Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then select Receive button to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide instead. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!